I will share some memes on the celebration of cake. Have a look.
He's so sleepy. Happy birthday. Maya!
How is it just goes for the how they even think that? Oh my god. This cake is literally too frozen. Oh my god, guys.
Ni pobre princesa.
He literally doesn't know how to react. Oh my god, the Thanos hands. I got you one. Oh, oh my god. This clip is gonna be a really funny clip on the market.
Nothing beats a Jet 2
Okay,
holiday.
celebration
And
is.
right
Oh
now,
my god, the
you can
dance of the
save
babies.
£50
Very,
per
very good.
person. That's £200
Okay.
off for a family of four.
Oh my god. Oh my god. The baby is literally doesn't know what he does. Literally doesn't know. The 4-tier cake fallen down with the baby. I think the baby is safe. The video is cut out. I have only a few seconds of video, but I hope so. The baby is safe. Have a look. I think the mom create the cake in home. I think so because the glass he use is a disposable of water, drinking water or something a drink. Uh, Coke glass. It's not in a professional way. It's in a homemaker. I think this cake made in the home. Birthday really shocked, really shocked.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of four.
Guys, the as doesn't matter. Have a look, celebrate the birthday on way. The age doesn't matter. All siblings or relatives are cheering or that. It's literally a good vibe. This is gonna be a nice. Okay. When you ask your brother to make the gender reveal, it's gonna be a best gender reveal cake. I think so. Okay. Hurry up the next. The girl trying to make a really trending version of a cake birthday celebration. Okay. I think this is gonna be a best way to celebrate her birthday, but she failed. This time this she failed. But this is gonna be a number one trend in 2025 to celebrate her birthday. Most of the girls doing this type of these things.
Minha afilhada pediu para eu fazer um
Okay.
penteado maluco nela. Como sou confeiteira,
I
foi a
see really
única ideia que
unique
me veio
baker
na
in the
cabeça.
market. This is gonna be a best. Doesn't know how she think about that, but this is gonna be a best about it. I think she is a dummy cake because the bell the is look like a thermocol. How people even think that? How people is gonna be a really crazy. Wow, the cake looks so good, but on the head, it's literally unthinkable. Wow. How even she cut the cake? Doesn't know. Okay, hurry up for the next. This one, I think this is on Halloween, not on a Halloween. I think this is gonna be a Christmas, a winter Christmas cake. Okay, nice. Wow, this is a homemade cake. Okay. Wow. How she cute. How she cute. Our two brother celebrations her birthday. Okay. Both are so happy. Okay. The toddlers also try to be blow the candle and he helps. Okay, it's very nice to see. Birthday celebration. I think the mom knows her baby is hungry. ओके 20,000 का लहंगा लिया था कहीं तो ओके on the birthday celebration guys it's gonna be a too fun the sugar distribution on birthday party in college is literally a unique thought side by side two clips of the sugar distribution is literally a unique thought okay preparing damaged cake. Wow, the cake is fully unbalanced. As I see, the cake is literally fully unbalanced. Wow. But with the help of flowers and some technique, this looks very good. This look good. Okay, the dummy cake. Okay. The mold with the help of keep foil and adding cream to make a dummy cake is looks good. For a learner, this look good. The two toddler is also it's literally a basic rivalry of each of them. Always fighting in the clip. Always fighting in the clip. Wow. It's gonna be a best technique of ribbon. It's gonna be a best technique. Have a try. Thanks for watching this video.